How to fix TikTok coins not adding. First of all, start by refreshing your balance. By again going back to the TikTok Studio and checking if it shows. Or simply force close the app by simply removing it from the menu. Then simply tap on the app for some time. Now tap on the app info icon right over here. Scroll it down to the storage section. Tap on clear cache right over here. Then head back and tap on force stop right over here and tap on OK. Then simply close the app. Then try updating the app. Go to the Play Store and go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Now if any update is available, make sure to tap on the update. Then for future use, tap on the vertical dot and make sure you have enabled auto update turned on. Then simply open your app. Now simply make sure the account you used to recharge the coin is the same account you are currently logged into. And sometimes purchases can take up to 24 hours to process through the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, so you may have to wait for some time. And that's it, guys. In this way you can make sure that your coins are loading. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.